What's up, YouTube? It's part two. It's been about 1 week since I've been out here tearing down the Cutlass. Today I'm gonna get the timing chain and timing cover off and see what's going on with the cam. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. Alrighty, I'm back. So we got the Cutlass diagnosed somewhat. The motor is not junk. Very happy to say. Pretty much just knocked some carbon off of the pistons. Now I just got to get my heads machined or see what's up with the valves. But definitely a sigh of relief. I ended up touching the groove. Let me switch the camera over. So I ended up touching the groove on the piston right here where the valve hit, and I can't even feel this transition really. At first I was worried like, all right, maybe my pistons are junk or it's gonna increase the CCs, some weird stuff. But again, I can barely feel that transition at all. I started taking lifters off, out. But yeah, this motor is not junk. I definitely feel a lot better. I'm gonna be replacing the cam. I'm gonna throw a new choppy cam in there, and I'm gonna throw a new cam in there, get the heads done, yeah, I wasn't able to get everything done today because I got to do some stuff with my daughter and the wife. We're going to get some ribs. But in the next video, I'm going to be taking off the water pump and the timing cover, and we're going to see what's up with the cam and timing chain and all of that. And that's probably really going to tell me my problem. So till next time, I'll see you guys next week. I'm going to start recording more and giving y'all more footage with this guy. So till next week.